Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this amazing and this beautiful open work knitting pattern. So this pattern you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, ladies cardigan, for vest, for jumper, for summer tops, for snoods, for hats, for all kinds of knitting products you like. This is very easy and very simple pattern. This pattern is always done by multiples of 2, and this is only 2 rows repeat pattern. So you can see this is very awesome pattern. This is very wonderful pattern, and it is knitted very easily. So this is how it looks like from the front side, and this is how it looks like from the wrong side. So it looks wonderful and very amazing pattern. So in order to make this pattern, you cast on multiples of 2, and this is only 2 rows repeat pattern. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, for a sample I cast on 20 stitches on my knitting needles, and I am going to knit 2 repeats here, and you cast on as many repeats as you want. So this is row 1 right side, knit slip edge stitch, and we make yarn over, and we knit these 2 stitches together, and after then we knit this 1 stitch. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. We make yarn over, we knit 2 together, and we knit this 1 knit stitch. We make yarn over, we knit 2 together, and we knit 1 knit stitch. We make yarn over, we knit 2 together, and after then we knit this first stitch only, and we drop this 2 stitch. So we knit it to the entire of the row. Again we make yarn over, we knit 2 together, and then we knit this first stitch again, and we drop this 2 stitch. Make yarn over, we knit 2 together, and we knit this first stitch again, and we drop this 2 stitch. So this way we complete the entire row. we knit these 2 stitches together, and after that we knit only this first stitch and we drop this 2 stitch. We knit edge stitch. So friends, in this way I have completed row 1, and as you can see, it looks very beautiful. Now we knit row 2 on the wrong side. So we slip edge stitch on the wrong side and we make yarn over. We make yarn over and we knit these 3 stitches together. We knit these 3 stitches together. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. We make yarn over. We knit these 3 stitches together. We make yarn over. We knit these 3 stitches together. We make yarn over. We knit these 3 stitches together. We make yarn over. We knit these 3 stitches together. We make yarn over. We knit these 3 stitches together. That's the repeat. We repeat it to the end of the row. This is so simple and so easy pattern, and this is wonderful pattern. Make yarn over and knit 3 together. Make yarn over. We knit 3 together. And we knit for edge stitch. So friends, we have finished row 2, and you can see the pattern looks wonderful, and it is not much clear at the moment. So as we progress, it will look clear. So friends, I have done only one repeat here. You repeat these 2 rows as much as you need to knit. So this is very awesome pattern. This is very wonderful pattern, and this pattern can knit even beginners also. This is how it looks like. So this is so simple and so easy pattern, and this pattern will suit all kinds of knits. So, and I hope you will like this pattern. So if you like this pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best, and thank you very much. See you in the next video. Goodbye.